Hi friends, welcome back to your English Linguist, where we have fun learning every day. Today we're learning about digraphs. Let me give you a quick introduction to digraphs. A digraph is when two letters come together to make one sound. It is an important part of phonics because it helps us read and spell words correctly. Learning digraphs makes it easier to understand how letters work together to form sounds in English. Today, we're going to learn about the phonics sounds of the digraphs CH, PH, SH, TH, and WH. CH has three main phonics sounds. A. Most common, CH, sound as in chair. Cherry, child. In some words CH sounds, K, as in school. Chemistry, monarch. In some words CH sounds, shush, as in chef, machine. PH sounds same as the F sound, as in phone, photo, physics. SH sounds like a quiet, shush, sound, as in shop, fish, sheep. TH has two main phonics sounds. One is voiceless TH. It sounds voiceless in some words as in think, thumb, thin. In some words TH sounds the as in this, that, they. WH. It sounds like were, as in whale, what, whistle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.